Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn tense, change in tense. Means according to tense what changes are there and which person, first person, third person or second person, which person we want to change. Okay, that we are going to learn today. Now see, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, there will be no change. See, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, means if they report, for example, say is there, it remains same, say, and reported verb only, okay. And if there is in future, means future tense, that also remains same. There will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. Now see sentence. He says he feels fine. He says he feels fine. Or we can also write that he says that he feels fine. Okay, he says that he feels fine. Means no changes are there. Why we written? Because here I feel fine. I change into he because he says about himself only. He. That's why here report means third person pronoun is he. And third person, after the third person pronoun, yes or es form. And that's why here written feels and fine. Okay. Then next, she will say, I have been a good girl. Means it is a future tense. And means how we are going to change? She will say, okay, she will say that. We can also write there that. She will say that she has been. First person change into third person. And after third person we are writing has. Okay. She has been a good girl. Okay, like this way these are the changes. Then if the reporting verb is as is usually the case in the past tense, then the verb in the reported speech also be changed to the past tense as per the sequence of the tense. Okay, sequence of the tense means if there is a present, reported change into simple past. If there is a present continuous, reported change into past continuous. If there is a simple past, reported change into past perfect. Okay. And then if there is a past continuous, change into past perfect. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Okay. And if there is a future, it change into conditional. Okay, like this way these are. Means see, he will come, it is conditional, he would come. Okay, because these words tells us about the condition would. Then next see example. He said, I love to be out in the open. He said, I love to be I love to be out in the open. Means how it changed? He said that he loved to be out in the open. He loved. Means I changed into third person pronoun. Means first person, third person. It is present, then here it is past. Okay? Like this way. Then next rule number 3. See. However, you have to study about these other examples also. Okay, what changes occur there? You have to read this example. Then next, the rule number 3. However, there will be no change. However, there will be no change in the tense if what is reported is a well-known truth, a proverb or a scientific statement. Means if there is a scientific statement, if there is a universal truth or proverb, that time reported speech is remain same. Means no according to tense changes the reported speech. Okay, now see, the teacher said the sun rises in the east. Means that sentence tells us about the universal truth. Okay, means that sentence remains same. When teacher said that, conjunction is that, the sun rises in the east. Means no changes occur there. Now see, third, she said virtue is its own reward. Means she said that virtue is its own reward. Okay, no change. Means it is a what it is the proverb. Okay, then next, the teacher said liquid nitrogen boils at a very low temperature. Now it is a scientific statement, and then also it is remain same. The teacher said that liquid nitrogen boils at a very low temperature. Okay, very low temperature. Okay, means like this way it's the changes. If there is a inversal tree, there is no change in the tense. You have to always keep in mind. Then next rule, pronouns of the first person will change into the third person unless the reporting verb is the same as the speaker. Okay, same means same, speaker is same, and that means that speaker is tells us about himself only. That time first person change into third person. Okay, now see, she said I have my homework to do. Means how it is changed? She said that she had her homework to do. She had her homework to do. Means conjunction is that there. Okay, I said I hurt myself badly. Means I said that I had. Okay, I had hurt myself badly. Means he is telling about himself only. Okay, means I only remain same there. Then next, pronouns of the second person generally change into the third person. Second person change into third person. First person also change into third person according to the, means if the unless reporting person is the same as the speaker. But if the person spoken to reports the speech, then it will be changed to first person. Now see, I said to my friend, I said to my friend, you are a most unreliable fellow. Means I said to my friend, that conjunction is that. He was, because I said to, because he said about his friend, he was most unreliable fellow. The next example, my friend said to me, okay, you are a fool. Means my friend said that I was a fool. Okay, then next rule number, next according to person, pronouns of the third person undergo no change. If there is a third person pronoun, it remains same, no change. Sam said to Tom, you will pass the exam. Means Sam said to Tom, because that tells us about the third, Sam or Tom tells us about the third person. Then conjunction is that there, and then third person it remain only same, he. Okay, he would pass the exam. When there is a confusion, it is necessary to make clear who is the person referred by mentioning the identity. Means here Sam said to Tom. Sam said to Tom that he would pass the exam. He means Tom. Okay. Then next 7 number. When there is a change in the tenses from the present or future to the past, words denoting nearness in time and space should be changed to words denoting distance. Means nearness we are writing into change into reported distance. Okay. Then here reported is reported speech, we are changing there. If there is now, change into then. Means that tells us the distance. Okay, today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day. Okay, tomorrow, the next day. Then yesterday, the previous day. Yesterday means previous, and tomorrow next day. Last night, previous night. This, that, thus change into so. Come change into go, and ago change into before. Okay, like this way. Means nearness change into distance. Okay, because that tells the space. Then next rule, See everyone. When yes or no appears in the direct speech, we must expand it into a clause in the reported speech. Okay, if there is no appears in the direct speech. See here, yes or no. He said to the servant, "Have you cooked the meal?" He replied, "Yes, sir." Then how we are going to change? He asked the servant. Means because it is a question, that's why reported verb is ask. He asked the servant and it is yes no type of question. That's why conjunction is if. Conjunction is if. Okay. If he had cooked the meal, to which he replied that he had. Two sentences are there. That's why he replied yes sir. Means he replied that he had. Means yes sir. Okay. He had means yes sir. The address sir disappears in the reported speech. Okay. Means that sir we are not writing here, that disappear in the reported speech, that instead of that means we are no need to write the sir there. Okay, because yes and no is there, and that's why we want to expand this clause into reported speech. Like this way, these are the changes according to the direct and indirect speech. Okay, thank you. If there is any means not understand, then you can ask me. Okay.